Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Xauusd and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after this big drop, we can see the market is not showing much volatility. The craziness is gone, and right now market is trading inside a range or market is sideways. And it is quite natural because volatility shifts in the market. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So market is silent right now. That doesn't mean that market will remain silent forever. Sooner or later market will be volatile again, so till then be careful. Let's look at the market sentiment first. So we can see here gold steady despite dollar weakness. Gold is steady in the early Asian session. The precious metal is trading in a tight sideways range after falling below the psychologically significant $2,000 per ounce level following stronger than expected US inflation earlier this week, which reduces hopes for early Fed rate cuts. Gold near 2-month low as traders wary of US rate cut prospects. So this is the overall market sentiment, and if we look at the chart of US dollar index or DXY, we can see that as per our expectation, DXY has come to the previous resistance. Remember, DXY was unable to cross this level, so the same resistance will be working as support right now. So 104.60 to 104.50 is the next support for DXY. If DXY bounces from here, then yes, there will be selling pressure on gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD and others. And if DXY breaks this level, and if you see that DXY has come down again, things will be boring again. Okay, DXY will be inside the range again, and till then, okay, be careful, stay alert. If you see that DXY has come inside the range again, then again you will have to plan your trades accordingly. So let's wait and watch. Hopefully, okay, we will see a particular direction in the market. Okay, and if you look at the economic calendar, there is no major news coming up that may completely change the trend of the market. But yes, during the US session, because of the retail sales and initial jobless claims, market will be volatile. So be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. We are traders. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So as we all know that gold is trading in a range right now. Market is choppy. And do you guys remember where is the next major support on gold? The next major support on gold is around 1975 to 1980. This is the next major support on the chart of gold. Right now gold is standing at 1992, and yesterday gold made a low of 1984. So taking a sell below 1984 can be a risky one. After CPI, we were expecting that if market breaks 1988 level, we may see a big fall again. But because of low volatility and volume, the big sell did not come. It was just a 40 pips move. So if market breaks 1984, there is a high chance that market may not go for another 100 or 150 pips, because market will be entering inside the next support again, next support of 1975 to 1980. So if market breaks 1984, if you are a scalper, if you have the risk appetite, then you can look for a sell for 40 to 45 50 pips. But if you see that market is going down but there is not much volatility, market is behaving like a normal market, okay, not a news market, in that case we can look for a support around 1975 1976. Okay, it's a big range. Usually the range on gold is supposed to be 20-30 pips, but this range of 1975 to 1980 is a 50 pips range. So once the market will hit 1980 level, switch to 50 minutes time frame just to see the market behavior. On the 50 minutes time frame also, if you see that market is still going down, okay, then okay, continue with a sell position or just wait and watch. Once you'll see the market is trying to take support on 15 minutes chart, market is showing price rejection from below, then only go for a buy position. If you're a beginner, then you may be confused right now. You may think that what sort of confirmation is this, but this is the sad reality. There is no 100% confirmation in the market. You will find plenty of courses, multiple courses online. People are selling for hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, but everything is not genuine. Okay. See, if there is no 100% accuracy in the market, then how can there be um, 100% confirmation, isn't it? So if someone is selling that there is 100% confirmation, then obviously something is wrong, isn't it? So um, experience is the only thing, okay, that will teach you how to get the confirmation, but observing the market behavior is the best thing. Some people say that, okay, wait for the candle to close, wait for the candle to close. Then a question comes, what candle? 1 hour candle, 50 minutes candle? Then some say that you need to wait for the 4 hours candle to close, you need to wait for the 50 minutes candle to close. But do you think that it will work? Probably you have also seen that after the closure of the candle, suppose market has formed a hammer. Okay, I'm going out of topic, don't mind. Okay, suppose market has formed a hammer and you got the candle closure and you have taken a buy. But after some time you see the market has formed a red candle. So your confirmation failed, isn't it? So is there any 100% confirmation? It's not. So observation and spending time with the chart will teach you at one point that what sort of confirmation you should be looking for. Anyways, okay, I'm just telling you the truth here. I'm not trying to demotivate you. I'm just trying to say that there is no shortcut in the market. Okay. Anyways, okay. So once market will hit the support zone, if you see the market is trying to take a support, market is trying to bounce, you can go for a buy and try to avoid this in the news time. Okay, in the news time, market will be volatile and something may happen. Okay, something crazy may happen. On the other hand, if you see gold is going up, okay, gold is going up, in that case the next selling opportunity will be around 2002 level. Why 2002 level? Let me show you. We have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and you can see the previous support will also be acting as resistance. The best selling zone, okay, the best selling zone on the chart of gold is around 2014 to 2015, because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. We have FIBO we have 100 moving average. The previous support will be working as a resistance. 61.8 is the golden ratio. It's the strongest level, but 2014-15 is far away from the current market price. So as a result, let's focus on 2002 level. In this present situation where there is not much volume, there's a good chance that we may also get a good selling opportunity around this area. How much we can expect? At least we can expect a trade of 60 to 70 pips. Okay, and if you're planning to take a buy above 1995, this level here, you can go for a buy also, but it can be a little risky. Considering this present condition of the market, I will not recommend buy at breakout, because for breakout, volume is extremely important, and right now volume is missing. And in absence of volume, breakout leads to false breakouts. Just keep in mind that number of trading opportunities are less because of the less volatile market. Do not lose patience. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Market will give you opportunities, then only go for the trade. Okay, because if you take a trade right now and if you lose the money, when the market condition will be right, okay, you will not having the money. So don't make the mistake. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And my dear friends, this is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have lost money in the market, they are struggling with the market and unable to find consistency. I have also shared my story on the website so that you can understand that nothing is impossible. Once you open the website, you will see a questionnaire so that it becomes clear to you whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. If you feel that, okay, the workshop will be useful for you, will be gaining a lot of knowledge, your life can change, then only join. Everything is mentioned on the website. On 3 days, these are the topics that we will be covering. If you have already attended the previous workshops, no need to attend. The contents will be same. As I said, okay, there will be 1 month support. You can see during the 1 month support, where you'll be receiving regular market updates analysis, there will be weekly classes as well, and these are the topics for a weekly class. So everything is mentioned on the website, so you will get the clear idea. The next dates for the English workshop is 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of March, and Hindi classes will be on 9th, 10th, and 11th of March. There is a big gap between these two classes because of time difference, because we have Shivratri also, and everything will be recorded. Okay, you don't need to worry because of time difference. I know that many people won't be able to attend. No need to worry. I record everything. You will receive the recording, and you can see the fees is the best part. For 3 days workshop with 1 month support, where you will be receiving regular market analysis, updates, trade setups, weekly learning sessions, and Telegram community. Okay, we have a colorful community on Telegram where you will meet a lot of traders from around the world. Everything for $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians. Trading is a journey. We have lots of doubts, and yes, there is no shortcut in the market. So if you are looking for guidance, if you are looking for personal sessions, you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime membership. Everything is very affordable. You can see here you'll receiving the same benefits like this one, but yes, for to clear your doubts, to have your questions answered, okay, we can meet one-on-one, and it's only $65 or 4000. Okay, in semi-annual membership, you'll be entitled for 2 personal sessions with me, and in lifetime, obviously we will stay in connect with each other for lifetime. You'll be receiving regular market analysis updates for as long as I'm alive. And yes, you will be getting 6 personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, for learning purpose, for chatting, anything. These are the payment methods. Okay, these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, you just need to share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number, or you can also email here, but please do share the WhatsApp number so that I can add you. Previously I used to teach for free, but free stuff doesn't get the respect, so I have kept it very affordable. So if you're interested, okay, if you feel that Avilash, okay, help me, then you're most welcome to join. Okay, thank you so much.